Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the proper use of micropipetters. There are lots of different brands of micropipetters, and they come in various sizes. But they all work in basically the same way. With the pipette, there are three motions. You can push down and draw up liquid. You can push down past the first stop to eject liquid. And you can push the eject button to eject the tip. These are typically called the P1000 pipettes. They have a range between 100 and 1000 microliters. Right now the pipette is set at 1000 microliters. I can adjust the pipette to any volume within its range by turning this dial. Now it's set to 650 microliters. Now it's set at 150 microliters. You may have noticed that the plunger has gotten shorter as it's gone down in volume, and it has a very short distance to plunge for the first stop. And if I adjust the pipette all the way to its maximum of 1000, the plunger has its farthest distance to go. This is a P200 pipette of a different model. The adjustment knob is up here. It has a lock to keep the volume from changing while you're pipetting. To adjust the volume, you need to unlock it, and then you can turn the dial to adjust the volume. So I can set the volume at 112 microliters. And adjust all the way down to the bottom of the range of 20 microliters. Notice that on this model, the plunger did not get shorter as I adjusted the volume, but the distance to the first stop changes with volume. This is a P20 pipette. Right now it's set to 2 microliters. I can adjust the volume of this pipette to volumes with a fraction of a microliter. So right now it's set to 4.2 microliters. I can set it up to larger volumes, such as 8.4, all the way up to 20. So I've set the volume of this P1000 to 500 microliters. I'm going to open my tip box and set the pipette tip firmly on the pipette. To pipette liquid, push the plunger down to the first stop, then put the pipette into the liquid. Then release the plunger slowly and lift the pipette up. To expel liquid, push the plunger down all the way to the second stop.